Do you want to direct code based on a value? The switch case allows you to execute specific code for different values of a variable. Unlike the if statement that tests values, the switch simply compares the value against a predefined list and executes the corresponding code. It's faster and more efficient in operations, but it's limited to constant and known values. You put the variable in parentheses and, within the braces, the various cases. Each case must end with a break to terminate the switch operation. The default case, it's not mandatory, but it is advised. The default case allows you to execute specific code when the variable has an unexpected value. In Godot, if there is no default and the value is outside of the range of the cases, the switch is entirely ignored. There are no errors in the console and the program does not crash, but in other situations it might be necessary to add an empty default case. Another case is the default being equal to any other case. In that situation, you can simply put the case and the default case on the same line. The capability of the switch is not universal, and not all types of variables are supported. It depends on the platform. In Godot, it's possible to use strings in a switch, but this is not true on all platforms, for example. The switch is an excellent tool for controlling the flow of code. It replaces the multiple uses of if and else if, is more efficient in terms of performance, and makes reading and interpreting the code easier. However, it does not allow for comparison operations and always expect predefined values. The choice between the if statement and the switch case will always depend on the circumstances of your code and what you intend to do with the values. Each situation should be evaluated according to the objectives and capabilities of each function. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep updated on the new content.